Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the cosmos to uncover some of the most fascinating facts about galaxies. From the swirling clouds of gas and dust where stars are born to the supermassive black holes lurking at their centers, galaxies are truly awe-inspiring structures. Get ready to have your mind blown as we explore 5 incredible facts about these cosmic islands. We'll journey across billions of light years, witnessing galactic collisions, unraveling the mysteries of dark matter, and contemplating the sheer scale and grandeur of the universe we inhabit. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a cosmic adventure. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a vast, swirling city of stars, gas, and dust. But it's not alone in the vast expanse of space. In about 4.5 billion years, our galaxy is destined for a cosmic encounter with our nearest galactic neighbor, Andromeda. Imagine the night sky ablaze with the light of trillions of stars as these two colossal spiral galaxies slowly intertwine. Over eons, their gravitational forces will lock them in a celestial dance, drawing them closer and closer. Stars will be flung out into intergalactic space, new stars will ignite in stellar nurseries, and the shapes of both galaxies will be forever altered. This collision won't be a cataclysmic event for individual stars, but a slow, majestic merging of two galactic giants. Eventually, the Milky Way and Andromeda will coalesce, forming a single, massive elliptical galaxy. Galaxies are home to an unfathomable number of stars. Our own Milky Way, a barred spiral galaxy, contains an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars. And that's just one galaxy among trillions in the observable universe. Think about that for a moment. Each one of those stars is a giant ball of burning plasma, many much larger and hotter than our own sun. Some are solitary wanderers, while others exist in binary systems or even larger clusters, bound together by gravity. The sheer number of stars in a single galaxy is a testament to the immensity of the universe and the incredible forces that govern it. It's a humbling thought to consider how small we are in the grand scheme of things. But even more mind-boggling is the diversity of these stellar giants, each with its own unique story to tell. Just as stars come in a variety of sizes and colors, galaxies themselves exhibit a remarkable diversity of shapes and structures. Astronomers classify galaxies into 3 main types: spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Spiral galaxies, like our own Milky Way, are characterized by their graceful spiral arms, where new stars are constantly being born. These arms are embedded in a flat disk that surrounds a central bulge, often home to older stars. Elliptical galaxies, on the other hand, are smooth and oval-shaped, lacking the spiral arms of their counterparts. They contain older stellar populations and appear to have formed through the mergers of smaller galaxies over billions of years. Finally, irregular galaxies defy easy classification, often displaying chaotic and asymmetrical shapes. These galaxies are thought to have been distorted by gravitational interactions with other galaxies. At the center of most, if not all, large galaxies lurks a cosmic monster, a supermassive black hole. These enigmatic objects possess unimaginable densities, packing millions or even billions of times the mass of our Sun into a region smaller than our solar system. Supermassive black holes exert a powerful gravitational pull on their surroundings, drawing in gas and dust and heating it to extreme temperatures. This process releases enormous amounts of energy, creating some of the most luminous objects in the universe: quasars. The presence of supermassive black holes has a profound impact on the evolution of galaxies. They can regulate star formation, sculpt galactic structures, and even trigger the birth of new stars in nearby gas clouds. These cosmic behemoths remain some of the most mysterious objects in the universe, their true nature still shrouded in darkness. The universe is not a static place. Galaxies, driven by gravity, are constantly moving, interacting, and even colliding with each other. These galactic collisions, though seemingly destructive, are actually essential for the growth and evolution of galaxies. When galaxies collide, their gas and dust clouds become compressed, triggering intense bursts of star formation. New stars ignite in spectacular fashion, illuminating the cosmos with their brilliance. These collisions can also alter the shapes of galaxies, stripping away gas and dust and triggering the formation of new structures such as tidal tails and stellar streams. Over billions of years, these collisions can reshape entire galaxies, transforming them from spirals into ellipticals or creating entirely new, hybrid galaxies. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about galaxies, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cosmic content. The universe is a vast and wondrous place filled with countless mysteries waiting to be unraveled. From the smallest particles to the largest structures, the cosmos is a tapestry woven from the threads of gravity, energy, and matter. Every star, every galaxy, every black hole has a story to tell, a story that speaks to the interconnectedness of all things. So keep looking up at the night sky, keep asking questions, and keep exploring the wonders of the universe.